Welcome to Afrikit Work from Home Mindflow. Hey, let me ask you something. Are you really ready for what's coming next in the remote work revolution? Or are you about to get left behind? Because what I'm about to expose will change how you see your job, your skills, and your future. Secret number 1, they're lying about bringing you back to the office. You've seen the headlines, return to office. Hybrid is the future. But here's the truth they're hiding: remote work isn't dying, it's evolving. Companies claiming they need you in the office? They're quietly hiring remote workers in cheaper regions. Tech giants, customer support giants, even Fortune 500 companies are doubling down on global talent. Why? Because they'll save millions. But here's your advantage: if you master high-value skills like AI collaboration, cybersecurity basics, or hyper-specific writing, you become irreplaceable. They can't outsource creativity. They can't automate emotional intelligence. You just need to level up. Secret number 2, AI is coming for your job, unless you do this. Let's get real. If your job involves repetitive tasks, data entry, basic customer service, even generic content writing, AI is gunning for you. But there's a loophole. The future isn't about fighting AI. It's about using it like a weapon. Imagine this: you're a freelancer using ChatGPT to draft 10x more client proposals. You're a marketer automating ad campaigns with Canva AI while competitors waste hours. You're the admin who uses Zapier to cut your workload in half. The question is, are you adapting? Or becoming obsolete? Secret number 3, the gig economy is a trap. Here's how to beat it. Be your own boss. Work from Bali. Sounds dreamy, right? But here's the dark side: freelancing is getting ruthless. Platforms are flooded with cheap labor. Clients want more for less. To survive, you need a personal brand that screams expert, not desperate. Think, a LinkedIn profile that hooks recruiters in 3 seconds. A portfolio that makes clients beg to pay your rates. Or a YouTube channel teaching your niche skill. Hello, algorithm-friendly content. Secret number 4, your laziness will get you hacked. You're working from a coffee shop, hopping on free Wi-Fi, clicking sketchy links, and bam, your company's data is leaked. Guess who's getting fired? Cybersecurity isn't just for IT nerds anymore. Basic certifications like Google's Cybersecurity Certificate or CISSP are becoming resume gold. Employers want people who won't accidentally bankrupt them with a phishing scam. Secret number 5, the remote work hack no one talks about. The real remote work winners aren't just skilled, they're masters of digital charisma. Think about it: can you command a Zoom room with confidence? Write emails that get replies in 5 minutes? Use Notion to organize tasks so flawlessly your boss thinks you're a wizard? These are the skills that get promotions, raises, and job offers slid into your DMs. So, what's next? If you're still just applying for remote jobs without a strategy, you're playing checkers in a world of chess. The future belongs to those who upskill relentlessly: AI, security, content creation. Build a personal brand: LinkedIn, freelance platforms, YouTube. Treat remote work like a superpower, not an excuse to binge Netflix. Drop a comment below: are you ready to dominate the remote work revolution, or get left in the dust? P.S. Next week, I'll expose how to use ChatGPT to land $10,000 per month remote gigs, but only if you're subscribed. Oh wait. Want to stay ahead in this remote work revolution? This channel, Afrikit Work from Home Mindflow, is your secret weapon. Every week, I drop unfiltered strategies to help you outsmart AI, land high-paying gigs, and build a remote career that can't be outsourced. Here's what you get when you join our community: step-by-step guides to mastering AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva AI. Deep dives into cybersecurity so you never get hacked or fired. Behind-the-scenes freelancing hacks to charge premium rates. live Q and is where I answer your burning remote work questions. Don't just watch, take action. Smash subscribe so you never miss a video.